Hi, I'm Monica,
And I'm Dundella.
and we're the Reno girls. And if you've been here with us before, we talk about all things entrepreneurship. But if you're new, welcome. And today we are going to talk about bootstrapping your business, how to get started on the low, like Dundella said, how to get your business started on a shoestring budget.
Right.
Another thing that you could do, like branching into like costs, like low cost things, is like some media marketing. So that's something that you can kind of like reach out to collaborators. I think they're called like micro influencers. And there's programs too. Maybe in another video we'll have an opportunity that we can share some programs that kind of are, I guess, so-called agents for these influencers that you can kind of go through, and then they have a subscription cost to it. So we're testing one out, so we can share that in a future video to see like, oh, is that, how does that pan out to the cost versus the reward, your return, right? But you can reach out to, so let's just say you're not doing that, you can reach out to what are other like businesses,
right?
Exactly. What are other direct competitors and indirect competitors but you have the similar audiences.
Exactly. Yes. And hone in, like, follow what they're doing, follow them. It's not, listen, there's nothing new under the sun where you don't have to say, oh, well, I can't do that because so-and-so is doing it. Girls, they got it from somebody else, and then they got it from somebody else who got it from somebody else. There's nothing new under the sun. Like, everybody is doing something that other people are doing. That's why they are called influencers. That's why they're called marketers, because they're influencing the market. So it's okay for you to follow your competition and do what they do. Just put your own spin on it. Like, you don't have to now don't go out there and copy their post now, y'all. Come on. We know better than that. Right. However, you can see what's popping on their page, and then, you kind of know what to put on your page, because at the end of the day, you're building your own audience, and these are people that resonate with you.
Right.
And I don't care if y'all are selling the exact same thing. So what? They might not resonate with somebody else. Somebody might look at their page and be like, I don't like them. And then they might look at yours and be like, oh, this is so cool. I really love her vibe, et cetera, et cetera. So
even though you could be saying the same thing, girl, but still, they resonate with you. They want to be in your community. They want to buy your candle. They want to buy your t-shirt.
That's
right?
Exactly right. Yes, because people like who they like. So, and there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that at all. And then, there's so many free tools out there that you can utilize for your social media, for your content creation. Canva, y'all, Canva is free.
Yes.
Now, they do have a paid version. However, you can start with their free version. And then, you can use Canva to create your content. And then you want to make you a lead magnet so that you can start collecting those emails. Like, email is king. It's like, it's way more, I don't want to say more better because then I sound country, don't I?
That's okay, girl. We's country.
But listen, email is better than social media, because yes, social media gets you out there. Yes, social media, brings you followers. But if the followers not paying you, if the followers, it doesn't take much for somebody to say, oh, I like that, and then for them to go on about their business.
Right.
But what you're trying to do and what you want to focus on is capturing the email. So then you can nurture your client. You can follow up with them. You can send emails, you can send a newsletter, et cetera, et cetera. That is what you're looking for. So yes, do your social media, but at the end of the day, you still want to create some type of lead magnet where people can opt in so you can capture their email.
Absolutely. Because you want to, again, like how we first started, that's all part of your community building.
Exactly. Yes. And another error that we made, you know.
Yes.
So we're just telling you guys like some of the things that we regret that, you know, we wish we'd have done better, you know,
Yes.
that we are doing now,
Right.
you know, but however, you know, I feel like we probably would have been so much further ahead, but we were so focused on like building our Airbnb business, you know, and scaling, and you know, we wasn't really thinking about like, okay, what about when we don't want to do that anymore? What about when we want to pivot, or, you know, or build a community or build our audience, you know? I mean, it just didn't dawn on us till like a couple of years ago. And we were like, oh man. And plus we didn't want to even get on the camera, remember?
Yeah. Yeah.
We were like, girl, I ain't gonna be talking on no YouTube.
Or learn the platform. So like everything, like we're telling you 1, 2, 3 is like, we just being honest, child. You know, we just didn't want to do it. Like we didn't want to take the time to learn the platform. But, you know, it's not a scary thing if you take it bite size. Yes. Okay, little by little, you know, utilize these free tools, or if you find something low cost that, you know, that you like a little bit better, fine. But utilize it, be consistent. Yes. In your postings or in your videos, you know, and then you will, those things will be amazing for your business.
Exactly. And it's free, low cost.
Yes, that's the key. So we're happy that you're here. If you're part of our existing community, you know, we appreciate you. If you're new, we would welcome you, first of all, and we would like for you to follow us, click the bell for the notification, so subscribe, yes. And then share this content with others.
Exactly. Well, thank you guys for joining us today, and we're going to be signing off. Bye.